Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this week's episode of Bus Update. So, a few things to talk about. I had mentioned previously wanting to redo 45's rear ID. So, as you can see, the original ID number is gone. It is off the bus, and you can see the original yellow. I mean, this 6, I replaced it once, but the 7, 8, 5, and the other 7, that's all first time that's seen the light of day in 30 years. So I got individual numbers to redo this ID, and I wanted to try to space it as well as I could. So I tried using tape, to make a straight edge for me to space it with, and it just did not work nearly as well as I thought it would, and I was not happy with how it turned out. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to order an ID number, and it's kind of look like the one that's on the front of the bus. It's not going to be spaced, so the shadows will kind of stand out, but it'll basically look like that, what's on the front of the bus. So that way it's at least all even, and it'd be a little bit easier to place and it not be so crooked. I also had bought a number for 50's rear end ID tag to replace that, which I did replace it. Like, I took off the number and did the whole thing, cleaned it off, and applied the new one, but, and you'll see what I mean here in a second, it did not apply well. I mean, it applied well, but it doesn't look right. You can clearly tell that it's crooked. So now that's got to come off, and I've got to redo it because I can't allow that to look like that long term. So I may just peel it off today and leave it blank. I haven't really decided, but you can see the old shadow from the number. And the only reason I did that was because the 5 was peeling. So I went ahead and figured out how to replace it. So now I got to order an ID for that and another number 50 for this. So that'll be continued. I thought I was going to get all this done today, but it did not work out for me. So outside of that, I did film a new model video I'm pretty excited about today. Yeah, so that's coming. Well, and there's an unboxing video that'll come out before the actual model review. Other than that, there's really not much else going on. I'm going to get those new numbers ordered, and then I'll get those applied, and probably be within next week's bus update, maybe. I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's really, not too much to update you guys on, but I did want to tell you about that. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and yeah.